Hey everybody, this is just a quick video to help you out. If you have a Bosch washing machine and you are getting an E04 error, so what is it and how to get rid of it? So first of all, what is the E04 error? So the E04 error on the Bosch washing machine is a too much foam. Inside the machine is sensing that there's too much foam in the machine. And this is happening for one of two reasons. Maybe both at the same time. One is you're using too much detergent, and two, you're using the wrong type of detergent. So the first thing to do is just definitely restart the machine, but do not add any detergent, and let it wash the detergent that's already in there out of there. You can even just do a cycle with nothing in it, just to get it all nice and rinsed out. And then once that happens, just check and make sure, are you supposed to be using HE detergent or not, and make sure you're using the right amount and not putting too much detergent going forward, because it will create foam. It will create excessive foam, which won't allow the machine to work properly, and you'll get this error. So anyway, I hope this helped you. By doing this, you should be able to fix the problem. And thanks a lot for watching, and have a great day.